guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamie. I hope all of you guys are doing super duper great. कैसे हो सब लोग? Guys, today's video is going to be a super casual video, a very usual casual video. तो आज Sunday था and I really wanted to make something today. I wanted to shoot something today. तो मैं बस सोच रही थी कि यार विंटर स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, पूरा सर्दियों का मौसम चालू हो गया है एंड हम सब की स्किन की मतलब लिटरली वाट लग चुकी होगी अभी. आई नो विंटर्स जैसे ही स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं skin dryness, all of the skin problems start to appear, and all of us we really have to give that extra effort to keep our skin look good. So मैं भी यही सब करती रहती हूँ आजकल. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना एक वीडियो बना दूँ. I just thought I'll show you my skincare products and my skincare routine, both my morning skincare routine, the products I use, and the evening skincare routine, the night skincare routine, whatever products I use. These products basically I have been using since years. These are the products that I have been using since many years, tried and tested on me for years. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine and my night skincare routine. Let's get started. So guys, let's start with my morning skincare routine. I just want to take a moment and tell you that I'm not going to talk about any makeup products here. I just want to talk about the basic skincare essentials, the basics that we use on a day-to-day basis. So I'm just going to talk about the cleansers or the face wash, the moisturizers that I use on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, so starting with my morning routine, the first thing that I do is obviously wash my face. So the face wash that I have been using for I think it's been more than 8 to 10 years now, I totally fall back on Neutrogena Deep Clean Face Wash. This is basically a facial cleanser. It's like a very mildly foaming face wash. So it is foaming, but it is very mild and gentle on your skin. So you can use it every day. It doesn't leave your skin rough at all, but instead it actually leaves your skin hydrated. So that is one thing that I really like about it. I have a lot of pores on my skin. So face wash is something that is very important because I really need to get rid of the dirt and the grease and the oil that gets into my pores. And I feel, and I've read it also at many places, that it is very important that you use a face wash every day. Even if we are not going out, we live in such an environment कि बहुत air pollution है यार. So even if we are in our homes also, it is very important that we wash our face every day with a face wash, and whatever face wash is comfortable with you can use that. This is one thing that I have been using since years, and I can guarantee, I can recommend anybody and everybody this. In case you haven't tried it out, you can definitely check this out. So guys, now coming to the moisturizer, this is something that I've been using since the past 3 to 4 years. I will totally rely on Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Moisturizer. That's what it is called. And honestly, I've been using since I think more than 3 years now. This has been my constant day in and day out moisturizer. So obviously after I use my face wash, I use Olay Micro Sculpting Cream, and 2-3 reasons why I really love it. One thing, obviously it serves the purpose of a moisturizer throughout the day. So in morning I apply it once, and throughout the day it does keep my skin moisturized. It does not have any greasy oily effect on my skin, and like many other creams that I have used, it does not leave any white patches or something like that. It completely gets absorbed and it's very smooth and supple on the skin. It gives a very glowing effect. So that is one reason I really love it. And secondly, this is also an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle cream. So for people like me who are in their 30s, you guys can try it on. I really feel that this is kind of a skin tightening and a skin firming cream, because this also has a lot of things like niacinamide and vitamin B5 and vitamin E, which is really good for anti-aging and to reduce your wrinkles and stuff like that. So basically, in case you are in your 30s, you would know that you would have start getting your wrinkles like here. I have started getting wrinkles here, and also your skin starts to become a little bit loose and all after your pregnancy. So you really need a skin tightening cream. So this is one thing that worked for me. So yeah, that's about it. That's my moisturizer, and this is one thing that I love. So yeah guys, my morning routine is nothing much. That's it: a face wash, a moisturizer, and also a lip balm. And this is the lip balm that I've been using. This is Born Lippy by Body Shop. So this is just a strawberry flavor. I think you get a lot of flavors, and nothing, this is just a normal lip balm. Just dab it on. And also one other thing that I've noticed, Body Shop lip balms are quite different from the other lip balms. दिस एक्चुअली स्टेज ऑन फॉर लॉन्गर. बहुत सारे आज जो दूसरे लिप बाम से जो मैंने यूज़ किए हैं बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो जाते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बट दिस वन इज़. So that's why I love it. So guys, now coming to my night skincare routine, there are again a couple of things, just 2-3 things that I use for my skincare routine during the night before I go to sleep. I start my routine with Dermafic skin toner. So basically this is a skin toner, a cleanser you can call it. So this is something that I really liked. इसको use किए हुए अभी बहुत साल भी नहीं हुए हैं. It's been like a couple of months that I've started using Dermafic skin toner, and I kind of really like it. So basically when you are out and when you come back home in the evening and things like that, you really need a skin cleanser or a toner that really helps to actually get off the dirt from your skin, and it kind of feels really refreshing. And all you have to do is just dab some drops onto a cotton pad and then just dab it on your face and wipe it off. Keep it for some time. I mean, don't rinse it off basically, because actually after using the toner you need not rinse off with water or anything, and it really leaves a very glossy effect on my skin. This is actually the latest find to my skincare routine, and I'm very happy with it. This is Dermafic skin toner, and it basically cleanses your pores, hydrates your skin, which is very important for winter especially, and it also restores your skin's pH balance, which is also very important. Before I go to sleep, I use this. This is a face serum, and of late from the past 1-2 years I've really been inclined to face serums. I don't know why. I totally have been trying different kind of face serums. One face serum that I really loved is Himalaya Organics Vitamin C face serum. वो अभी खत्म हो चुका है, but I really like that also. So I've been using Body Shop का Vitamin E face serum, and this is something that I just put a few drops with this dropper and I just apply it on my face. Just a few drops are enough actually. I think just 2-3 drops are totally enough for your entire face. Just massage it on your face and I go to sleep. So that is like my night routine for my skin. And after using a face serum, I when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels really good, as if it has done a good job to my skin during my sleep or something. I don't know, but this is really good. Okay, this has wheat germ oil, and this is an overnight serum in oil. So this is something that you're supposed to leave in overnight on your skin, and it does really feel good in the morning. So yeah, this is one thing that I've been using. And yeah, I have one more thing. So I use the Body Shop Moringa. This is again, I think past 4-5 years it's been, and I love it. I love the fragrance. I totally love it. So this is Body Shop Moringa, and it's like the body butter. So it is more nourishing and more moisturizing than your normal body lotions and moisturizers. It is actually very thick, and I love it. This is like perfect for winters. That's it guys, that's it in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope कि आपको आज का video अच्छा लगा होगा. So that was it about my skincare routine, my morning and my night skincare routine. It's a very small, compact routine that I have. Very minimal products, but all the products that I use, I totally rely on them. I've been using them since a long time now. But if you want to know about my skincare, if you want to know about my skin type, it is like normal to a little bit oily. It does get oily during the rainy season, it does get dry during the winter season, but thankfully I don't have a lot of acne breakouts. I don't have a lot of pimples. Pimples मेरे को last teenage time में हुआ था. I don't have a lot of breakouts. So in case you are someone who has acne and breakouts, do your research before you use any products guys. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. In case अगर आपको इसमें से कोई भी product लेना है, in case you wanna check out any of these products, मैंने इसके सारे जो links हैं नीचे mention किया है. I've mentioned all the links in the description box guys. सारे जो ये वाले products हैं आपको Amazon पे मिल जाएंगे. I normally get all these products from Amazon because बहुत जल्दी delivery हो जाता है यार. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope some information was useful to you. So see you guys in next week with another video. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care, lots of love. In case you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Bye bye.